Have you ever heard of passive income? In simple terms, it's income that keeps coming in without you having to do anything. Just picture yourself going out for lunch with your friends, right? You enjoy yourself with them, order a 5-course meal, have stress-free, good old time with them, and you come home 2 hours later and check your bank account and you're already $3,000 richer. And you didn't even break a sweat. In fact, you haven't even worked at all. That, my friend, is passive income. And what if I told you that we have found 4 websites that can help you have just that? Additional income you've earned passively, taking you one step closer to financial freedom. Imagine yourself finally releasing all those financial burdens. Just keep watching this video because I will be sharing with you all the best passive income earning websites. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. The first website is surveytime.io. This is a wonderful website that lets you earn passive income by simply filling out surveys. It takes almost no time to do. It's free and the payment methods are safe and guaranteed. You can access this through your laptops, computers, or cell phones. It works on both Android and iPhones, so basically anyone can access it. If you type in surveytime.io on your browser, you will be taken to a homepage that looks just like this. Now before you can start, you're gonna have to sign up. You can sign up with your Facebook account, your Google account, or your email if you don't have either of those. Whichever method you choose to go with, just fill out the required data, agree to the terms, and then click the sign up button, and you should be taken to this next page. This next page requires you to fill out a couple of personal questions, but this will only take a couple of minutes. These are personal questions tailored to find surveys that are most suited to you. So answer these questions honestly, and then you can start answering the actual surveys. You can get paid up to $1 per survey, and the best part is, you don't need any experience to do this. There's no need to study anything or to work on anything. They're just simply looking for your opinion, and that's all you have to give. The payment methods are also safe and guaranteed. You can choose from Coinbase, Amazon gift cards, PayPal, or cryptocurrencies. Either way, payments are made instantly, so it's hassle-free and you don't have to worry. Are you doing okay so far? Have you heard of surveytime.io or have you tried it yourself? If you have, let us know of your experience in the comment section below. Also, we're about to go into our next website, but before that, are you subscribed to our channel yet? If you're not, please click on the subscribe button, and while you are at it, click on the notification bell too, so that you won't miss out on any of our future uploads. Now, let's go back to the video. As promised, this is the next website on our list. ProfitProductCreator.com is a website that specializes in sales of digital products. Here, they can help you create your own digital products in less than a minute. These products are tailor-made to your desires, and it can be anything like ebooks, online learning courses, online training courses, vlogs, blogs, basically any digital product you can think of, which you can then put up for sale. This website boasts their ability to help people make up to $1,000 in online sales profits in a day using their push button system. Basically, they generate what they call clicks for your products, and the more clicks your product gets, the more profit you make. This is easy to use for those who have never ventured into digital sales before. It's beginner-friendly, very easy to understand and set up. The page guides you through the whole process, so it should be a breeze. Just go to their website, explore it, and find out for yourself. Before we go on, I have to ask, do you think you would be willing to give these websites a try? Let us know by leaving a comment in the comment section below. We would love to hear your opinions, and we truly enjoy reading your comments. So if you want to say anything, just type it out in the comment section below. Now, let's go back to the video. The next website is remotetasks.com. This website allows you to earn US dollars by working from home. To get started, you are gonna have to create an account by clicking on the sign up button if you don't already have an account. Tick the agree to the terms box and choose whether you want to proceed with your Facebook account or your Google account. The choice is really up to you. Once you are in, you're gonna be asked to verify your account. Just choose your country and type in your phone number. You are then gonna receive a 6-digit code via text message, and then you can just input that text into the verification code box and you're gonna be taken to this page. These are personalized questions that ask you for the number of hours you're willing to work in a week and the languages you know. You can choose up to 3 languages. So the more you know, the more tasks are gonna be made available to you. Then you can choose from among the available tasks that you want to complete. However, this website works on an unlocked task system. Before you can start, you're gonna have to get certified by completing available online courses that unlock tasks which you can complete. Don't worry though, because these courses are absolutely free. Once you've completed the tasks, payments are then made via PayPal. Easy and safe. We are almost at the end of our video. Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't, click on the subscribe button. And don't forget to click on the notification bell as well, as we are always creating and uploading similar content, so make sure you don't miss out. Now, let's go back to the video. For our last website, which is actually an app, this is BuzzBreak, and you can download it on the Apple App Store or in the Google Play Store. It's completely free and available in all countries, so anyone can access it no matter where you're from. BuzzBreak's name is actually BuzzBreak Read, Funny Videos, and Earn Free Cash. So this is a platform that shares news stories and at the same time allows you to earn from simply clicking on reading these stories. Just download the app into your phone and create an account. Once you've created an account, you'll be taken to this dashboard where you can browse through all the available news stories for the day. Just click on any of these stories and read away to start earning points. BuzzBreak works on a point system, so the more news stories you read, the more points you get to earn. These points can get converted into money that you can eventually cash out. Payment methods can be through PayPal, or these points can be converted to cryptocurrencies, whichever you prefer. And that's the last website for this video. I hope you find these tips helpful. Again, we would love to hear from you, so leave us a comment in the comment section below, and we'll do our best to reply to each one of you. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to ring that notification bell. We are working on new content now, so don't miss out. Good luck, and see you in our next video.